Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? So welcome to another vlog. My name is Manny. I go by Frisky Hug. Welcome to my channel. Today's vlog, I'm not sure if it's gonna be a whole series of like day by day vlogging or if I'm just gonna do one whole one. Most likely day by day because these days are gonna be very long. But we're here in Atlanta. We're about to go to Imagine Music Festival. Hanging out right now at my friend Audrey's house. She's kind of like the center of like, she's like the hub. So we got like a bunch of stuff coming in and stuff like that. And we're about to take off in a couple hours. I think like 2 hours. We're gonna start heading out, get some ice, and then, you know, go down that way. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know that, you know, you watched the vlog. Always love knowing like who's watching and stuff like that. It makes me feel good. But this is the fit that I got going on. It's actually like the whole corn thing because of TikTok. What do you like about corn?
It's cold. A good corn Vietnam. It has the juice.
Just like it's like a Thursday right now. We're doing like the day 0 thing, so I think it's like I'm not gonna go hard on the dressing right now, but I got like 3 really good fits. We got the fashion show on Saturday, so be prepared for some crazy stuff. I got an artist pass, got my friend Jake an artist pass, so we're gonna be, you know, wandering the behind the scenes stuff, so I'll be showing a lot of that. But okay, enjoy the vlog. This is Jake. Jake, say hi.
My name's Jake. Also known as Maximum.
You guys like my Avicii on here?
Wait, what's Avicii? Who's that?
This is how packed we got the car. Just trying to show everybody. We got 2 of these. We're gonna fill them up with ice soon. Got cases. This is for like the meetup. We're gonna give away some candy, courtesy of Kandi Bar. Go ahead and check them out, guys. If you guys don't have to make any time to make candy, they come in super clutch, honestly. And let me show you guys the front. We got a couple tables. This is a power station, so this will kind of help us with some power. We got the one of the hydraulic tents. It's like an 8-person tent, and then we got a canopy in there, bunch of blankets, and then, you know, us. But that's kind of how we have the packing situation. I thought we were gonna have one more person in here, and I was like, dude, this is gonna be a struggle. So luckily, it's just me and Jake. And then we got their cars as well, packed to the brim. So it's gonna be fun. We're all camping. I'm in the influencer camping section though, so that's gonna be pretty badass. Doing a couple collabs. I already have a lot of people hitting me up to do a couple collab TikToks and stuff like that.
Oh, it's so deep.
This is Audrey.
Hello.
That's what we call her.
Yeah, only to my face.
Ready, buddy?
Rave!
Let's go!
Rave!
All right, so we finally arrived at the box office. It's right next to camping. Get out of the car there. We're meeting up with Audrey. That we can get our tickets together. I can't. What the hell? Does this make you happy? We got the other 2 bays right here.
I got none.
So we were at the box office for like 30 minutes. Wrong line. So now I'm dragging all these people, wonderful humans, to the other side. We were over there. What are you guys doing? VIP.
This is the Jake takeover.
Reserved campers only.
Reserved campers only. So we just got to Imagine. We got through security, heading to the campsite, and I'm with my best friend. So today is a good day.
We fucking chilling, dude.
Just chilling.
I think someone's stuck in the middle of the road, so can't go anywhere yet.
Yeah, it's pretty tragic. I guess my luck ran out.
No. Oh well.
To the campgrounds. Made it all the way through finally, but we're still trying to find our camping spot, so that's what I got this guy for.
I don't know what we're doing.
I don't know what we're doing either, but we're gonna figure this out, I promise. We are camping tonight.
All right, so we are at the campsite. Hi, Jiggy Poo.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Got these cool tapestries, tables. See that? And that's what it looks like inside. Whoop. So we met up with Audrey because she had a bunch of stuff, and then we were like, dude, we need a wagon. The amount of shit you have. So our neighbors let us borrow a wagon, so that was pretty nice of them. Yeah, it's a big lump with knobs.
That's the juice.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. Hey, you guys know all these people. Same-o, you've seen them all before. What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
I mean, just anywhere, but like I feel like a festival would really like hit the spot. That'd be a great story.
How fat is this campsite, man?
Dude, I brought mine too. I brought mine too. Yes, sir. I got the head mount, I got the chest mount, I got all.
All right, so I wanted to go say hi to everybody really quick. They're in the GA campsite. It's still quite ways from where I'm at, but I gotta return this wagon. That's important. So I'm a man of my word. Let's go. So we're right next to the vendor village. I want to show you guys what that looks like. Kandi Diva in the house.
Campmates.
Yeah, she's over there. I'm over here. I'm over here. We can see again.
Whoa, there's lights.
Thank the Lord. You too. Nice to meet you, brother. Emma in the house. Ah! We love her. Okay, so we went back to the campsite. We drank a little, smoked a little. Yeah, we did. And then, anyways, we're heading back. We only left a little bit before Jib and Tori, which is fine. You know what I mean? No, you go back to recording. That's what you Okay, so that was day 1 of Magic Music Festival. Oh no, that was day 0. Sorry, backtrack. Day 0.
Day 0. Fucked it up again.
What was your thought? Day 0.
These 7 Lives was probably one of my top 3 sets I've ever seen. It was really good.
I think he did better back in 2019. EDC Orlando, I think. No, it was 2021 EDC Orlando. He just did, I don't know, that set was fire. But I love that they gave us a little taste of music, so that was nice. I mean, we hung out, I think at our canopy or tent area like probably more than we saw the sets.
A little bit. I had a little bit of everything.
It's a vibe.